Okay guys, so this is going to be a super fast video today. We are going to be doing a coconut jelly mask. So for the first step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prep my lips. We are using the Tarte Cosmetics POUT Prep Lip Exfoliant. And we're just going to rub that all over and then we're going to wipe it off. And then the next product we're going to put on is from Bite Beauty. I will make sure to link up my samples I received, and it was one of those packets. I thought we could just go ahead and use that today. So for the main event, we are going to be using a mask, and this is from SooAE. This mask was about $2.50 from Walmart, and this is their Keeping Glow Coconut Jelly Mask. And what's pretty cool about this mask is that it's hydrating. It is coconut. Make sure you have a clean face and tone, and then apply the mask as follows. As you can see, the mask is very thick and it does have like little jelly bees inside of the mask. So I'm just going to rub that all over the face, and then after that we're going to wait about 30 minutes. So it's been about a full 30 minutes and I went ahead and rinsed off the remaining product. And now we're going to go in and tone my face. And I'm using Dermalogica's toner. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray that in my hands and then pat it onto my face. Next we're going to go in with a serum, and this serum is from Philosophy Time in a bottle, 100% in control. And I'm just going to apply that and then rub it all in. Now we're going to go ahead and place the under eye cream, and this is also from Philosophy, and this is their Renewed Hope in a Jar Eye. And with the final step, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and place the moisturizer. This is their nice refreshing and refining moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that and then rub that on the entire face. And that literally, guys, is the entire video. I just wanted to do a quick little mask with you guys and just kind of refresh my own face. I hope you guys like it. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching. And to my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out your girl. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to see certain masks, let me know too. I have like a whole bunch I have to pull from, but maybe that could be a video. What kind of mask do I have? Ooh, kind of like that idea. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm going to stop rambling on, and I will catch you at the next one. Bye, guys.